Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we have another subscription box. This comes to us from Barrel and Blade. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, let's do it. Alright, so we got Barrel and Blade, and if you are interested in checking them out, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video. And they have two boxes that you can subscribe to. They have a level 1 box and a level 2 box. One box is $50 a month, the other is $100 a month. So they do give you an option there if you are so interested. And let's see what they sent over to us this month. Let's see if we can find the card. All right. This is Operation 63. And I guess I shouldn't have looked because it has kind of, I guess, hopefully what's in this box. And they give you a nice little list, and they give you the level 1 and the level 2 sort of breakdown, which we'll get into here in just a minute. But let's see what something that was right here on the top, which is kind of funny. They give you this big Neighborhood Warlord Velcro patch. It's actually kind of funny. So yeah. All right. All right, what is this? I guess this is the plate carrier. Whew, man, don't want to sneeze. All right. So what we have here is what is this? This is a plate carrier. It says it holds front and rear plates. Let's see. Hang on. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, it holds a 10 by 12 shooter cut plate. Let's see. Waist will adjust from 30 to 46. It has a rear drag handle, molly front and back, loop patches front and back, made of 1000D. Very good. Padded shoulder straps, closed cell foam between you and the plates for maximum comfort. Made in Vietnam. All right. So, just kind of giving it a quick look-see, which is really kind of hard to tell until you actually, accessorize it, and start wearing it and everything, taking it out and actually using it. But it's from, what is this, DDT? Is the company it's from. It says it is veteran-owned and operated tactical gear manufacturer. It's www.ddt-ops.com. So if you're interested in this company, which I do like it that it is an American company, so that's really cool. And one thing about these carriers that I kind of get into, because like I said, I am not ex-military or anything like that. I'm just a dirty civilian. Is the grab handles. And I'm going to tell you, this pull handle here it may be really good. It looks like it's really woven in there, but it's thin. It's just like a regular piece of webbing. And generally, for me, I like seeing these grab handles, because like if a teammate, goes down and you need to get them out of, a certain area, and you do grab them to pull them, depending on how much the person weighs, this thing needs to be really, really, really stout. And I've seen a lot of these fail on a lot of the plate carriers that people like us, people like me anyway, would buy from like Amazon or somewhere like that. These things usually are kind of, I don't want to say crappy, but they're crappy. So this thing looks nice. It's got, the normal stuff for a plate carrier. One thing I do like about it is it does have, on the shoulder straps, it does have these, hopefully that'll come in, these loops, so you can run, if you're running comms, you have a place to run cordage, up through to your back, or if you have a water bladder, you have a place you can run, a bite valve through. So that's nice, and it does have a Velcro cover over it, which you can also run stuff through and then just slap the Velcro over it. So that's really nice. It does have Velcro right here at the top. you know, for, you know, if you're going to put like an admin pouch or morale pouch, whatever. It does have your standard fare right here to put magazine holders. Nothing on the sides, so this is not going to support side plates or side pouches. As you can tell, it's just, you know, open. But it does have a place in here, so you can put something. Oh, let's see, or is that the actual? That's the actual plate holder. Yeah, that's the actual plate holder. All right, never mind, scratch that. Okay, so very simple, very basic, but I like basic because basic usually works and it doesn't get overly complicated. So yeah, I will definitely try that out and see how it works. And it looks like they also give you a triple mag pouch too. I'm going to go ahead and peek at the card real quick and just see if this is something extra or this is something that actually came with the plate carrier. And no, this is something that came extra. So it is an M4 triple mag pouch, which is nice. So they give you they give you almost a really, they send you off, you know, at least with the carrier and triple mag pouch, which is nice. You know, if you don't have any of these components and you were purchasing this box, you know, you got you a nice little kind of a starter, you know, a starter kit to get you going. And you can also put your neighborhood warlord pouch, you know, not pouch, but your little patch here. You can, and it fits perfect right there, so you can be your neighborhood warlord. So there you go. I do like this. I think this is hilarious. This is really funny. So I do appreciate that. And the company is, which I've gotten stuff from them before. I think it's cool. The DDT stands for Death Dealer Tactical. So yeah, Death Dealer Tactical. So nice. And one thing I do like about my triple mag holders, I do like the bungee retention for the magazines. That's just something that I prefer. Everybody has their own preference. I talk to a lot of combat vets at our range, and I try to train with as many of them as possible to get pointers on gear, on how to accessorize yourself, on the do's and don'ts of things that, you know, that you can only get from guys that have that experience, you know, in the field with the gear. So I would say if you are like me and you're a civilian and you have access to any veterans and, you know, they're willing to, you know, help you or talk to you or whatever, I would definitely take advantage of that. And salute to all of the combat vets out there. I really appreciate you guys, and like I said, I love sitting around and listening to all of the stories that these guys tell, and I really do appreciate them. So just want to say that. Okay, this is cool. They give you a rapid tourniquet. So this is actually a pretty good box from just looking at what you get. I mean, you get a plate carrier, you get a triple mag pouch, you get a tourniquet, and a knife. And don't forget, you get to be the neighborhood warlord. So yeah, this is actually pretty good. Let's see what the knife is. I'm assuming that this pouch is for the tourniquet. If I would have to just kind of put a guess out there, I would say that this is going to be for the, yes, this is a Ready Man tourniquet or EDC Velcro belt pouch. So yes, they give you an actual little Velcro, let's see, they give you a little pouch for the tourniquet, which has, let's see, it just has a place for webbing to go through, which is okay, because you can get like a Molly system quick connect, and you can run this, or you could affix it. I'm pretty sure there's a way you could affix it to some of the cordage that's on that. I'd have to look at it. So yeah, they give you the tourniquet. They even give you a holder for the tourniquet. So that is awesome. I love it when companies like this, and I know, you know, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this box so far. But I will say this: one thing I do get a lot of comments on are the themings of the boxes. So like in I think last month, the last video prior to this one, where I got the food, you know, they included the long spoon for the food. Stuff like that. And stuff like this, you know, they give you a tourniquet, but they also give you a, you know, they give you the holder for the tourniquet. That stuff to me is, you know, gonna help the people that actually, like me, that receive these boxes. So I really do appreciate that. And the knife this month is going to be a CRKT, which is a Columbia River knife and tool. And I do like their knives. And let's see, what is this? What kind of knife is this? Let's see, this is a... What is that? Can't read that. I can't make that out. Let's see. Let's see. Does this thing tell me anything about it? Nope. This is just a general care guide. All right. Well, anyway, we'll go to the book. But we got some... Looks like we got another retention piece that would be for like a belt or something that you can somehow affix. You can affix to this to the sheath here, and yeah. All right, so let's see what we got. And this is just a little blade that has a sort of like a a woven like a samurai sword type, handle. It's just a full tang knife that has the cordage woven around it to make like a makeshift handle. But it works, and it gives you really good grip because it does have spaces there that you can get really good purchase on, whether it's wet or whatever. But yeah, it's one of these textured type blades. And if you guys are into knives, you've seen this before. This is nothing new, and companies do this. And some people like it, and I've seen comments of people that say, "Oh, hey, I don't like that," and that's fine. It really comes down to a personal choice. But let's see what the card here has to say about what this knife is, what it's made out of. Okay, and it is a throwback to a Japanese design. Okay. So yeah, I was going to make a joke about the Japanese sword, but apparently, I was on point with that. Okay, full tang fixed blade with a unique gray titanium nitride finish. It is unique. I would say it's kind of ugly, but that's just my opinion. I don't know. You guys tell me. Let's see if I can get it to reflect there. There you go. It's not quite like a typical carbon, like a carbon striation that you would see. It's just kind of blotchy, and to me, I really don't care for it. I mean, it wouldn't affect me wanting the knife. Like it wouldn't turn me off that much, but it's just something I wouldn't go out of the way to buy it because of it. Let's see. It features a katana-style cord wrapped. Let's see. Blah blah blah. What is it made out of, though? What's it made out of? It doesn't tell me. Okay, you're gonna have to go to CRKT's website to see. And unfortunately, on the end here, I can't make out because it's like it's been messed up. But it's a 2367. I'd assume would be the product number of this particular blade. Let's see, does it tell me what it is? It just says CRKT Obake. Obake is what they say the name of this knife is. I would say Obake. Yes, Obake. So if you want to check it out, it is a, when it's in its sheath, and I don't know, it is a nice looking knife, and it's not very big. It's not very big. Depending on what the blade is made out of, it could be a... Oh, it says it right there that it's a Obake. Okay. Okay, I feel bad now if I just pay attention. But it'd be a good little knife, It's definitely not a pocket knife. This would be definitely like a pack knife or depending on how this would orient itself. I'm assuming that this little clip, and it's actually not even a clip. It's just something that's going to hook like on your belt or something. See, it's not really. It's just something that's going to hook, and I'm assuming they want you to either put it in these two grooves here, or in the actual holes, and just do like that, and that way you can take the knife and you can hang it. You can hang it off your belt or, off, some webbing or something. I would assume. I don't think I would really do that because that seems like you're flirting with Murphy's Law of the knife coming off and you losing it, especially if you're in the woods. The woods have a unique ability of snagging gear off your pack or your bag and you losing stuff. But this is a nice knife. So let's go over the prices. And this Speedline tourniquet, guys, I don't know. Let me know if you guys have any experience. It's Rapid Medical. It's called a Rapid Tourniquet, and it's got speed life. Speed equals life. Let's see. I mean, tourniquets are very, very simple things. It's not, it's not like I don't think you're revolutionizing the tourniquet world by trying to make something different other than this little, I guess it's an aluminum piece that would, once you get the tourniquet cinched down to actually keep the pressure on, it has this little, I guess it's something that's maybe, selective to this company. Let's see. And my eyes will not focus today. Let's see. It says, yeah. U.S. Army Institute of Surgical Research has actually gave their patent seal of approval on this. It says works on adults, children, and pets. Okay, so this is what we got in this month's box. And if you got the level 1 box for $50, you would have got the Death Dealer Tactical Plate Carrier, $50. You would have got the tourniquet, $20. You would have got the tourniquet pouch, $10, and you would have got the Warlord patch for $14. That would have carried a $50 price tag to you and me. So it's not too bad. But here's going to be my criticism on this level 1 box. This level 1 box, you would have received a box called Barrel and Blade, and you would have not received a blade. I would have been disappointed. But anyway, if you step up to the level 2 box, which we did, that's a $100 price tag. It would have added the knife and the triple magazine pouch. So yeah. Okay, so the triple magazine pouch carried a $20 price tag, and the CRKT Obaki carried a $50 price tag, which you would have got for $100. So they're saying that the Death Dealer Tactical Plate Carrier was $50 and the blade was $50. So that right there is your $100. So you would have essentially got the $14 Neighborhood Warlord patch, which I think is awesome, but I wouldn't have paid $14 for it. You would have got the $10 pouch here for your tourniquet, which $10 is kind of high for something like, I would expect to pay like $5. But hey, this is an inflated world we live in, so maybe that is $10. And the tourniquet, $20. That's probably right. I mean, I haven't bought a tourniquet in a while because I have so many. And the triple mag pouch for $20. It's probably about right. And the plate carrier, $50. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this box. Was this thumbs up? Was it a thumbs down? Let me know what you think. And if you have any experience with this tourniquet system, I'm interested in their little piece here that they give to keep the pressure on, because it's something I've never used before. I've never seen it, so I don't have any experience with it. So that's what the comment section is for. If you made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. I will put a subscription button up here. I will put a next video over here. And yeah, comment. Let me know what you guys think about any of this stuff, especially if you think this was a good value, because I really like to know what you guys think about it. Hey, getting a plate carrier, getting a triple mag pouch, getting the patch, getting the knife, the tourniquet, the holder for $100. I'm going to say not bad. I'm going to say this was decent value. Let me know in the comment section, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.